Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
We're doing things a little bit different this day. We're going backwards, sort of. Normally we say we're gonna go to a place, get there, food, all that, then we do the activity and then we go back. Today we're doing it different. So we found ourselves currently at, there's waterfalls, caves, and elephants. We're gonna find out about this information. We just got here. We just got off the motorbike off a really not good dirt road. And now we're about to go and check out the waterfall, the cave, and I think there's elephants.
We'll see.
We will see. Okay, let's go start this adventure. I have no idea what we're doing. This is one of those, we're just coming here, we don't know anything, and now we're gonna find out. Okay. Be about 30 minutes to the cave, did she say, yeah?
Yeah.
So 30 minutes of walking on this. Parking when you get here is 40 baht. You're basically paying to sit in somebody's driveway. So I guess that's not bad. Easy way to get some quick cash for them. Water, 15 baht a piece.
For a small one.
Yeah, for a small one. Normally the price of a big one, but then again, it's supply and demand.
Yeah.
So I don't begrudge them of that at all. The trail here is fairly well cut. You got a nicer, I think that's the half path, and this looks like to be the main path. Wow. I guess you can park here.
Without
and that's
paying.
This is the full service place they were talking about. This is sort of like exiting through the gift shop. You have to walk through here to get through the train. Saudi Cup.
It smells really wet.
Oh, we had that torrential downpour yesterday, remember?
Yeah, true.
Cistern of some sort. Weird, I don't know, balls growing on the tree. A skink. Look on the rock. They're slimy. They're not slimy, but they're really weird to hold. It's not an easy path. If you are taking this trail, stay near the water. Stay near the water all the way around. That's where the path is. Don't go up. Sort of stay just hugging the water, and that's the right path. I guess we're fording. I guess we're fording. Easy peasy. Don't get bit by those. Yes, the path includes scaling a tree. Oh, wow.
Okay. He's saying it's pretty easy going up there. He said there's a bunch of little pools with water coming in. So maybe we check that out.
Hey everybody. Climbed all the way up to the top of this waterfall because I wanted you to see this picture. The drone isn't working with GPS, so we're going to take the drone and fly it off right here. So let's see what it looks like.
That's a good idea, yeah.
Fairly nice here. Rule number one, follow the water. Follow the water upstream. It'll feel like that you're not, it'll feel like you're getting lost.
Yeah, and the mark on the map is wrong, I think.
Yeah, if you look on the map, the mark is in the wrong place. But you follow the river and you get to this spot. It's kind of nice. And the water feels nice. Oh, it feels nice.
You have to go and don't think about it. Just go.
See, it feels nice. How often do you get to relax in a waterfall in Thailand?
Yeah, that's true.
This is an amazing waterfall. This is a great place to hang out. It takes about a half an hour to get here. As you can see, you just basically have to follow the water all the way. And if you follow the water, you can get to these waterfalls. It's beautiful. Along the back end, you can take a path. It'll bring you up the side of the cliff to the top of the waterfalls where I am standing right now. And up here, there are little pools and little stuff like that. I left the GoPro down there. I didn't bring the GoPro up here, so you can't see it. And I'm not going to go back down there and come back up here. But now I'm going down. And I'm muting myself.
Yeah. Sometimes now I get this thing. I was never really paying attention, but it's pretty cool. So I really like this place. It's peaceful and you just hear the water and nothing else. It's pretty cool.
We disconnected the mics because we're now in a torrential downpour. And I mean torrential downpour. Khlong Chak, Khlong Chak, Khlong Chak. I keep saying it because Khlong Chak is the name of the waterfall that we just got back from. And it was awesome.
We didn't find the caves.
We didn't find the caves, yeah, we couldn't find them.
I don't know.
I think we weren't really looking for them because it started pouring. But we beelined it out of there, and now we're wet and hungry. Those are two things she can't be. So we got to get her dry and full. Yeah. We're just coming down off of the hill, and you can see in front of us. That was the rainstorm that came through. You can see.
We got pretty wet, yeah.
It got very wet. That's why we don't have the mics on anymore. We're staying nice and dry. But wow, the view. So we're near the southern part of the island, and it's completely different from the northern side.
Yeah.
It's more trees, more mountainous, more hilly.
More beach clubs and bars and stuff.
Beach clubs, bars. Yeah, it seems to be. This seems to be the area you want to be in. So if you're ever coming to Koh Lanta, I would say definitely go try Old Town Lanta. But
Nui Bay is right.
Nui Bay, yeah, Nui Bay is right here. So this area down here looks just stunning.
Yeah.
Here, let's put up the drone. See, the whole area is just insane. So yeah. Okay, well, we're gonna continue on, but we just wanted to show you this beautiful view.
Hello.
1, 2, 3. Okay. It's about time. What do you think? Yeah? All right, let's do it. Give me the backpack. That's why the guys normally ride up front, because the girls have long hair. We made it! We all know Malek's a much safer driver than I am, so we got here.
Yeah.
But my butt on the back is a little heavy. Yeah.
A bit.
We know what we want.
Oh,
What do we get?
the soup maybe.
Soup and papaya salad. Okay, we can do that. Okay.
I love the soup.
I don't know what it is about the soup, but it's just amazing. These spoons, never, ever tilt the spoon like this or it'll run into your finger. My dumbass move. That's papaya salad.
Good.
Good? Like I did not like the mango salad at all. A little bit of good spice. No. This face right there is going to be happy.
I know, because the last time the mango salad was way too sour, but this is good.
I like eating papaya salad because this is when we find out that Maleka is a rabbit. They give her a dish full of nothing but vegetables. Nothing but plants
Greens.
and stuff, greens, and she starts eating them like a koala bear.
This is good.
This restaurant,
Get the what noodle?
it's good. Oh yeah, get the braised chicken noodle. It's an amazing. Get number 54 braised chicken noodles. Delicious. Okay, we're gonna pay and we're gonna go get some water. Then maybe we're gonna go to the beach. We got our beers?
We're heading to the beach.
Yeah, and we're heading to the beach, yes. It looks like there's it looks like it's gonna be a wild sunset. I already see a whole bunch of orange. But yeah, so we are near the same beach that we first came to the first time here at Long Beach, by Long Beach Chalet.
Yeah.
Are you glad I said let's go see sunset?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna go find a place to cop a squat. Do you have cop a squat in German?
I don't know what that means.
Find a place to sit. Kappa squat.
Then just sit. Find a
Germans.
place to sit.
Germans. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Oh, that's good. It's actually really good. And with this as a view, here at Pra Apartments, which I will say I like it. I like the water pressure, I like the heat, I like the air conditioning, I like the room, I like the beds, I like the covers, I like everything. Anyway, so right now it's 300 baht per person, $9 per person to take a minivan from here to Krabi, and that's what we're doing. Well, that was a beautiful sunset. That was a very nice sunset.
Yeah.
Okay, be honest. Lose the Germanness just for a minute for our viewers. How'd you like the sunset?
It was amazing. It was red, it was pink.
It was 100% one of the top sunsets I've ever seen.
There, I don't know how much pictures, videos, and stuff.
Yeah, I don't. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you'll never understand how amazing it looked, but it was beautiful. Storm went through. The clouds were in the sky. The sun just blew up the sky.
Lightning on the right side, yeah, because there was a storm.
Yeah, so it was.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Got back home. Showered. We've eaten vegetables for dinner. Back to our German ways.
Yeah.
But there is something else. To continue with the crazy eats, we are trying another Pringles. Not a seaweed Pringle this time.
Hot and spicy grilled squid.
Hot and spicy grilled squid. Okay, so we're trying this out for you guys, so you guys can decide if you want to have this when you come to Thailand.
Smells not bad, actually.
Okay, it smells not bad. Not like the
Not
seaweed.
weird.
That seaweed was scary.
Tiny.
But they're so, like, the Pringles here are so tiny. Like, they're tiny. Okay.
Because most Thais are tiny.
Yeah. It's not bad.
No.
Whoa. That
But
end.
is that squid?
The squid hit. Oh, the squid hit.
Where?
Oh, it's the end.
No, it didn't.
Oh, yeah, it hit just in the end. There's no hot or spicy, though.
Not at all.
Not at all. It's that salty at the end. That's the squid part.
There is no salty. Just buy it. It's really not bad.
It's not bad.
I don't know what he's tasting there, but
I can taste it, though.
yeah. I don't taste anything bad there.
She only knows what vegetables taste like. She doesn't know what everything else in the world tastes like, so. It's good, and then it goes bad.
No, it doesn't.
Well, that's your opinion.
They're okay. You can buy them, really. They don't taste bad
They're
at all.
okay. They're not delicious.
I would
No, you
wish
wouldn't.
there would
Be more, yeah. You wish there'd be
No.
more flavor, more spice.
more flavor, more spice, and more. Just more.
Yeah, more everything. It tastes bland, but then it's got that seaweed, that sea salt, squiddy taste at the end. So we booked our trip for a mini bus
Mini bus tomorrow,
mini bus from here to Krabi tomorrow.
Yeah.
We leave at around 11:40, and we get there around 2:00, and we start our adventure in Krabi.
I'm so happy that we actually can move now.
Yeah, Koh Lanta's nice.
The
Okay,
bungalow was really cool.
the bungalow was great. In the south was amazing. I would have loved to have stayed in the south and explored the south a little bit more of the island.
Yeah, that's true. The south, what we saw today, was really cool, and Koh Lanta was for me more a place where you can really chill and calm down, and I could move forward with my master thesis pretty good, so
Yeah, no,
I'm
it's
happy that I can start soon,
Yeah.
but in general, I'm happy that we're moving now.
I think
So,
Malika is actually craving a bit of party.
yeah, maybe.
Yeah, and I'll admit I'm missing it too.
Or
I
in
want
general, people, because you know,
I just want
I think,
I want a little uns.
yeah,
I,
and I think in general, because of COVID, there were not that many
oh
travelers.
god, this place is
around.
dead. Koh Lanta
And
is dead.
Here, you know, it's just dead. You don't really meet other people, and if, then they're not really, you know.
But yeah, it's we met the cool people at the waterfall today, and they were good people. They were nice people. But yeah, there's just not.
You don't really connect or have some, I don't know. It's,
Yeah, we are ending the vlog for the night. We're gonna get on out of here, and we will see you tomorrow on our way to Krabi.
Yep.
Good night,
Good night.
and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you.